If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show studios. I want you to come in and look at our new addition to the studio. We had an RCA Victor radio, and then we had a Feltco radio. This radio here is from, the RCA is from 1937, the Feltco is from 1949, and here is a Stromberg-Carlson radio, floor radio, from manufactured 1929, sold beginning year 1930. We can get this thing turned on here. 3 buttons, lights up, and inside we've got the normal, there you go, you can hear that. We'll turn that down. Had to warm up, not like today's radios. It does work, as you can hear. And it was manufactured in 1929 for sale starting in 1930. This is a model 11A, and in 1930, when it was sold, it was retailed for $285. Now, you put that in an inflation calculator for 2021. That means this thing, if was bought today, would range about $4,636. That is a very expensive radio back in 1929, 1930. So it works real well. We purchased it from a local person, older gentleman, older couple. And the story was that they got it from an antique store, kind of a thrift store type of thing back in the late 90s. And it sat in their house up till a couple of months ago when I purchased it. And it was kept to the side, and they never allowed their kids to get close to it, was the instruction or information. So very fancy, has the open and close capabilities. You got the volume, and then this is the on off, and then this here will adjust the dial back and forth, and that illuminates there. But a very nice old radio that still works that we've added to our collection.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.